Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn some questions. Let's see some questions on first lesson of geography, class 6th NCERT book, the earth in the solar system. Okay, now let's see questions. Okay, now how these are the questions given in the NCERT book. Now let's see them one by one. First question, how does a First question we have, how does a planet differ from a star? Okay, first, planet receives heat and light from the sun, means planet can't make its own light and heat. Now here star can make its own heat and light, that is why sun is also a star. Okay, sun is also a star. Second one, it has a spherical body. Planets only reflect the light received from the sun. Reflecting here means giving back. Okay, giving back. Now next we have, for star it is a very big hot ball, means made of fire and gases. The sun is also a star. Okay, third one of planet is, planets do not twinkle because they do not possess their own light. Yes, due to this reason they can't twinkle, but star can twinkle because they can make its own heat and light. Now there are 9 major planets. Earth is also one of them. Now stars are very far from us. They are in millions and millions. We can't count them. Second question, what is meant by the solar system? The celestial bodies consisting of the sun, its planets, satellites, asteroids, meteorites and dust particles form the solar system. Now why it is called solar system? Because sun, Sol is the Roman god of sun, and that is why, and also sun is the head of the solar system. That is why so it's called solar system. Now name all the planets according to their distance from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now these Pluto and these are not there. Okay. Now see here, one thing, that for reminding this we have a trick also. My very educated mom just served us nuts. Okay. Next, why is Earth called a unique planet? Because only the Earth has favorable conditions for life in the form of animals and planets. Means it has oxygen and correct temperature, and now it has water also. No other planet of the solar system has water, which is very needed for plants and survival of plants and animals. Now ozone layer in the atmosphere of the earth protects all organisms on the earth from harmful sun rays. Okay. Next question, why do we see only one side of the moon always? Because the moon revolves around the earth in 27 days. Due to the revolution around the sun, around the solution, around the earth, that is why it's called, it will look in only in one side. Okay, it does not look in full sphere. Okay. Now what is the universe? This is the 6th question. We see millions and millions of stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteorites forming galaxies. Innumerable galaxies form the universe. In other words, universe means group of stars. Okay, group of galaxies, not stars, group of galaxies. Now let's see the fill in the blanks and now MCQs from the NCERT book. The planet known as the Earth's twin is known as Venus due to the same shape and the same size, nearly same shape and same size. Which is the third nearest planet to the sun? It's Earth. All the planets move around the sun in a elongated path, not circular nor not rectangular. Circular means in this way, rectangular means in this way, but they move in this way. Okay. Now the pole star indicates the direction of north, because that is why it's called as north star also. Now asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Okay. Now see here, it's Jupiter and it's Mars. Now here is the asteroid belt. Okay. Now we will see, fill in the blank. A group of stars forming various patterns are called as constellations. Okay, constellations. Now huge system of stars is, now we call huge system of stars is called as galaxy. Dash is the closest celestial body to our earth. It's moon. And Dash is the third nearest planet to the sun. This is very known, and it given in the correct, choose the correct answer also. It's Earth. Okay, it's Earth. Planets do not have their own heat and light. Okay, now let's see some prelims practice question for UPSC CSC. For UPSC, now first assertion, Milky Way galaxy is known as not slash, it's Akash. Yes, this assertion is right. Reason, Milky Way galaxy looks like river of light flowing in the sky. Yes, this is also correct, and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. See, when you see in the sky, you see a white river like structure, and that is known as in old days they don't know it's a galaxy, and they named as Akash Ganga, because Akash means sky, and river is known as Ganga. Ganga is the holy river, that is why it's named in the it's known as Akash Ganga. Now assertion and reason are correct, and reason is correct explanation of assertion, so option 1. Next question, which of the following are correct statements? Asteroids are found between orbits of Jupiter and Saturn. This is wrong, because it's found between Mars and Jupiter. Now meteorites burn when enters Earth's atmosphere. Yes, this is right. There are 3 planets which have rings around it formed by debris. Yes, this is also correct. So answer is B and C, or 2 and 3. This is the option. It's 4. Which of the following planets have rings around them? Okay, which of the following have rings around it? Mars don't have, Jupiter it has, Earth it don't have, and it has Saturn have rings around them. Now so option E, B and D, or 2 and 4. So option 4. When did Neil Armstrong step on the moon? The answer is 21st July 1969. Third option. Which of the following planets revolute clockwise direction? Yes, this is very very important, because actually this is the sun and these are the orbits. Every planet will move anti-clockwise direction, means in this direction. Okay, in this, actually clock moves in this direction, but in many planets move in the anti-clockwise direction, but 2 planets move in the direction of clockwise, in a clockwise direction, means in this way, opposite to other planets, and the 2 planets are Venus and Uranus. So option 2 is the right answer. And thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share, like this video. Thank you.